In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DHL to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the official DHL Express app connected to your store and ready to help you manage and ship your orders more efficiently. First, start on your Shopify dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store. This is your main control center, where you manage products, orders, and apps. From here, we're going to head straight to the apps section, but the quickest way to get there is with the search bar. At the top of your Shopify admin, click on the search bar. This search is very handy because it lets you quickly access different areas of your store. Type in apps, and when you see the apps option appear in the results, go ahead and click on it to open your apps page. On the apps page, look for an option that says all recommended apps and click on that. This section highlights tools that Shopify suggests, but it also gives you a convenient link to explore the full app marketplace. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This will open the main App Store in a new tab or window. Here is where you'll find thousands of apps, but we're going to focus specifically on DHL. In the search bar of the Shopify App Store, type DHL Express. Take a moment to check the spelling so you get accurate results. After the results load, look for DHL Express Official. This is the official integration from DHL, which is what you want to ensure compatibility and ongoing support. Click on the DHL Express official app to open its details page. On the app page, you'll see information about features, pricing, and reviews. When you're ready, click on the Install button. Shopify may show you a permissions screen outlining what the app will be able to access in your store. Review this briefly, then click Install again to confirm. Once installation is complete, you'll be prompted to either log into your existing DHL account or create a new one. If you already have a DHL Express account, simply sign in with your credentials. If not, follow the prompts to set one up. After logging in or registering, you'll be guided through a setup process where you'll connect your DHL account to Shopify and configure your shipping options. Take your time with these settings as they determine how DHL rates and services appear at checkout for your customers. Once that setup is done, DHL will be successful